ये कौन सा ये
वेरी गुड.
ये
No, 87 is big, beta.
एक चीज को खाना नहीं
No eating, beta. My box, please, na betu.
अरे वो मत करो गिर जाएंगे
Speak only in.
चा 18
Hmm?
18
No, big number. Crocodile will eat the big number.
yeah
Here, by 1873. 7 is big. First number, see the first number and then you. Which number is 9841? Which is big? जो नंबर लास्ट में लिखते हैं, कौन सा नंबर लास्ट में आते हैं?
ये
98 बेटा. इसका प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हम. ओके. मीनिंग ऑफ ऑक्यूपेशन. कीप दिस पेपर विथ यू.
working for my living
And profession.
profession working practice by
A type of job that needs special training. एक ऐसा जॉब जिसमें ट्रेनिंग चाहिए, उसको आपको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करके लिखना है, अब ओन लैंग्वेज में, अपनी लैंग्वेज में. डिस्क्रिमिनेट. करो गुड बॉय अंशुल. This page full you have to read. Now we must pay dash to all the professions who help us. What we have to pay? Gratitude.
करना काम करना है.
Yes. This is homework. This all okay? Write like this. We should treat all the community helpers with dash and dash. Shayan, 5 minutes.
Respect and
Dignity. Da-iga dig. Na-ini. Da-iti. Okay, I will give. That is one. Keep it inside. Do reading. Okay? Respect spelling.
RES rest PEC.
Okay. Cyrils and pulses goes to Rakesh Sharma. Astronaut spelling. Do you know? NAUT. ना आउट करके करो तब याद आएगा. टीथ.
डेंटिस्ट.
ऊन. वूल जो स्वेटर बनाते हैं ना राउंड राउंड करके नानी लोग. अमिताभ बच्चन इज अ.
अमिताभ बच्चन इज अ एक्टर.
Okay. Why should we respect the job of cleaners or sweepers?
सीखना. Because they help us to
करो.
make our life easy.
No. जीरो का कुछ नहीं तो ये क्रोकोडाइल खाएगा.
Done.
How are the what? Survive. What is service? Service CE है. How are the service provided by different community helpers important to us? Give me the textbook also, Dira. Give me textbook also. Hindi textbook.
Make our life easy.
And
We should depend on them. And we should depend on each other.
very good. All done? फल. फल. खत. 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 हाँ. कौन सा है? आम. आम में आखिरी मात्रा. एक. मगर. मगर. ऐनक. ऐनक. अ से वेट अ से अनार. बोलो. आ से आम. छोटी ई से इमली. बड़ी ई से ईक. Look here.
बड़ी से
छोटी ऊ से उल्लू.
छोटी से उल्लू.
बड़ी ऊ से ऊन.
बड़ी से ऊन.
Okay, now you say. बोलो.
बड़ी से
अब ये क्या है?
छोटी.
ये क्या है? अ है. अ से
अ.
अनार. ये क्या है? आ. आ से आम.
आ से आ.
ये क्या है? छोटी ई.
बड़ी ई.
ये क्या है?
बड़ी
बड़ी ई से ईख.
ई.
ये क्या है? छोटी ऊ से
उल्लू.
बड़ी ऊ से क्या है ये? ऊन.
ऊन.
What happened after Dad asked Charlie to stay on the right side of the road?
Charlie moved over
Kian?
just as
11 to 20 number names make. Hello? 11 to 20 number names make him learn, huh? Bye. Raincoat take here. There only. Is important to follow bike safety rules? If yes, why? If no, why not?
Yes, it is important to bike safety rules for our own safety.
Notice meaning.
Noticed. Makeup.
Frustrated.
Frustrated. Feel annoyed.
Beta, these two lines also, okay? Later.
Feel annoyed.
Keep it right. Shayan done. Now, nervous spelling.
Nervous.
Now, paddled.
Pedaled.
Porthole.
Pothole.
Nodded. Nodded.
Nodded.
Okay. Biking.
Biking.
Okay. Now next is helmets. Hiranya, look into your book.
Helmets.
Honked.
Honked.
Riding.
Riding.
अंदर है. Signals.
Sig.
Shayan done. Nodded. Nodded is done. Handlebars. Shayan, fast.
Bars.
Meaning of paddle.
Paddle. Moved by working the pedals of the bicycle.
Now make sentence. Helmet.
I wear a helmet before riding a bike.
Honked.
Honked. Somewhere in the distance.
क्या है भाई?
A horn honked. Then
Why was Dad feeling so proud?
Dad was feeling so proud because he watched that Jenny and Charlie follow traffic rules by
Hiranya, look into your book.
by stopping the stop sign, looking at both ways for signal.
Sit
left
properly,
turn
turn this side only.
before riding on.
What is the first thing we must do when we ride a bike?
When we ride a bike, the first thing we do is that we put on our helmets to protect our head if we crash.
Hiranya, sit properly. Study time. No looking back. Otherwise, I will make you stand outside only. Curious.
Curious. Ma'am, meaning?
Yes.
Eager to know.
Entertain. Eat fast, Kushi, and come. Please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Entertained.
Make a sentence. Entertain.
Uh, my grandmother entertained some stories.
This
I
is
entertain
curious
myself.
sentence. It's not. It's a meaning. You have to write the sentence in this. Curious is the meaning. This one I got to know. Write here sentence. I was so curious to know my marks. Like that you can make. Huh? Now you write 4848. Huh? Shan, write. No talking.
अभी crocodile खाएगा.
Wow, very good, Anshul. Now do the next one. What? Thank you, beta. Now 4949. Done? Okay, Kian, just read these and you can pack. Perfect. Yay! Thank you, beta. 2 minutes break take, okay?
Crocodile खाएगा.
Perfect. Crocodile तो खा ही रहा है ना अंशुल? 5050. पहले 5 लिखो then 0. Done?
Teacher, he is packing.
Yeah. Pack Kian. Take your bottle also. Now see how to write. देखो कैसे लिखा है आपने. देखो एक बार ध्यान दो. Perfect. Now do it. Start reading, Isha. Are we done? Good? Good. Now do the next one. Up. Upper. Up. See, that's why I told you ना, say and write ABCD. X के बाद Z कहाँ आएगा? X के बाद Y. Yes? X, Y, Z. Okay? Okay? Vanya, right? Okay. Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay.
Circle. No, an oval. It's square. It's square. A rectangle.
Okay. Now read the chapter. First read the chapter name.
Inside Aisha's house.
Perfect. Now start reading.
Let us.
This only. Start from here.
This is Aisha's bedroom. Aisha loves to look out the window. This is the
Here,
bath.
window before going to sleep. Please
Before
complete the sentence, beta. Okay?
This is the bathroom. Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. She does not waste water while bathing.
Bathing. She does not waste water. That's very good habit. Do you waste water?
No, why do I?
Perfect. Now read this.
This is the living room. Here Aisha watches the best TV show, The Little Monkey, with her family.
Okay.
This is the kitchen. Aisha's mother and father make yummy food together. This is the dining room. Aisha and her little brother Rinku, mother and father sit and eat delicious food together. Sometimes Rinku chews his food noisily, and Aisha shows me the proper way to eating.
Yes, proper way of eating. Okay? That's good. The chapter finished. Circle the first one. Read and circle the naming word.
The elephant.
Okay, correct. Circle it properly, beta.
The elephant.
Okay, next sentence. Only elephant you have to circle, not D. Okay? Erase it. Eraser you have, take this.
We have to raise it.
Pencil is here only.
Okay.
Okay, now the second one.
The frog jumps into the pond.
Next.
The lion
Yes, lion is a naming word, correct?
sleeps in the cave. Children go to school every day. So,
Naming word is? What's the naming word?
girl and a boy.
There, what's written? Children go to school every day. So, which one will be the naming?
Maybe school. School. The man with the drum is my father. Father is a boy.
Spelling of R.
A-N-E.
A-R-E. Now, she.
S-H-E. She.
This.
This. T-H-I-S.
Perfect. That.
That. T-H-A-T.
Okay. In.
That's easy peasy.
Yes. Tell me.
I-N.
On.
O-N.
Is.
I-S.
We.
W-E.
He.
H-E.
Those.
What?
Those. Spelling of those.
T-H-O-S-E.
These.
T-H-E-S-E.
Okay. Under.
Under. U. N. D.
चलो आरुषि मम्मा कहना
E.
चलो बाय
N.
now how many vowels are there
5.
What are they tell me
There are A-E-I-O-U.
okay N vowel or consonant
Consonant.
okay ship
Ship.
vowel or consonant it starts with which letter ship
S. Consonant.
perfect now naming words okay
What?
name place animal thing and all park comes under
What? It's
what it's an animal person thing place park
a place.
perfect dog
It's a pet. It's a pet.
yeah comes under which category person place thing bird animal
Animal.
perfect chocolates
Chocolates.
Mm.
They're food.
yes then comes under which category beta place person animal thing or bird
It's a thing.
perfect now tell me some action words
Action words.
now
Oh.
what dancing
Dancing. Sing. Cooking.
okay
Running. Skipping.
okay good very nice now number names zero spelling
Z-E-R-O.
1
O-N-E 1.
2
T-W-O.
3
That's easy. T-H-R-E-E.
4
F-O-U-R.
5
F-I-V-E 5.
6
S-I-X 6.
7
S-E-V-E-N.
8
E-I-G-H-T.
9
N-I-N-E 9.
10,
T-E-N.
11,
E-L-E-V-E-N.
perfect. 12,
T-W-E-L-L-V-E.
okay. 13,
What?
13, number name of 13.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13.
14,
14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N.
15,
F-I-F-T-E-E-N.
16,
S-I-X-T-E-E-N.
17,
S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17.
18,
E-I-G-H-T-E-T-E-E-N.
19,
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N.
20,
What? T-W E
N,
N
T, Y.
T-Y.
Again,
T-H-E
20 spelling. T-W,
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
perfect.
चीकू का अब
कोई,
कोई मित्र नहीं था। चीकू को
के,
के साथ कोई खेलना नहीं चाहता था।
क्योंकि
अब उसके सिर पर
हमेशा
एक बादल
मंडराता रहता
था।
कचरे का
एक
एक बादल।
बादल